Donna Anderson, NDSU Extension Service. We are going to make the flour tortilla recipe for this edition of the Kids Baking School. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of regular all-purpose flour, because this is just a basic flour tortilla. And again, with our measuring, we always lightly scoop our flour into our measuring cup and then level it off with a flat blade or a knife. There is our 1/2 cup, and we have a cup. In another lab, we're going to talk about the differences between all-purpose flour, bread flour, and cake flour. So make sure that you see that video. Okay, so we have scooped, and we'll level that off. So we have 1.5 cups of flour. And let's set that to the side and out of the way. We also have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, or baking powder, not baking soda. If you put baking soda in it, it would get bitter. Baking powder. This is that double acting. Okay. Let's whisk that together. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of hot water. This one just needs to be hot. It doesn't have to be a certain, like 110 degrees like our corn tortilla recipe. It just needs to be nice and hot. We'll wait till our sink gets it to that temperature, and that feels hot enough. So we need 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup is 4 ounces. That's right. And to that, we will also add 2 tablespoons of oil. If you remember our mesa harina, or our corn tortilla, that one did not have any oil in it. Side as well. Okay, now let's mix that together with a rubber spatula. When you're doing a batter dough, push your dough from the outside in, working underneath the ingredients, pushing it so you make sure that you get all your ingredients fully mixed. Okay, now we can start pushing the dough together. I'm going to take my hand and just push into whatever ingredient that I have in the flour, stirring that up. Let's make sure that we've got all the flour worked in our dough ball. Okay. Now we're going to let this dough ball rest for about 10 minutes. We're going to cover it with a paper towel, a wet paper towel, a damp paper towel. And we're going to let that one rest for 10 minutes as well. We'll be right back to roll it out. ready. It has been warming up since we let our flour tortilla dough rest. And while we're at it, I'm going to change out the depth of the roller. These are kind of an interchangeable one, so I'm going to do a 1/16 is what I'm going to do for this particular recipe. And what's kind of nice about this roller is that it allows you to do that, but you don't need special handy tools or tools. You can try to figure out how much that's going to be, but you can also kind of determine that by how thin and the size of the circle that we're going to roll. So let's take the paper towel off of our dough. Okay. And we're actually going to divide this into 6 pieces. And I got one a little bit too skinny. And we'll set those underneath some wax paper. And we're using wax paper for this particular recipe. So let's get our ball into shape. And we have one piece of wax paper that is sitting on our rolling surface. And again, you don't need this mat. I just needed you to be able to see about how big that we are rolling these items. If you have like this little NASCO scraper, this is a 6-inch diameter scraper. So we're going to go between 5 and 6 inches to the circumference of our circle. And again, lightly touch it, rolling out in all directions. And once we get that started, then we can add a little bit more pressure. And it doesn't take very long to roll these out at all. And again, we are about 5 to 6 inches. Let's say about 6 inches there. Okay, and you can see. And again, I just lift up and let it fall into my hand off of the wax paper. And let's toss that one on the grill. And we're going to cook that 1 to 2 inches. While we're doing that, let's roll out another one. All right. And again, remember to start off gently at first. And then as you get a little bit thinner, you can start adding a little bit more pressure to the pan. And rolling it in different directions is going to help with that circular shape. And you can see that it does stick somewhat, so we might have to get another piece of wax paper. So it is sticking to our circle. We'll just pull that off. And we'll start baking that one. Okay. I'm just going to flip that to the other side. And I'll get started with the other one. Okay, let's roll this one over. And we should see some little brown golden spots on that. That tells us that it is done. And we're going to let it cook on the other side while I'll get another one started. And this does go pretty fast. These are fast and easy to make. cooking. And we'll roll out another one. We're going to do one more, and then you'll join us as we get our meal put together. So join us in a few minutes. So we're finishing up with our flour tortilla again. We're going to add some seasoned chili beans to our tortilla, along with some Mexican cheese. So, and we'll go with some shredded lettuce. And let's put some tomatoes on the top of that as well. This is Donna Anderson, NDSU Extension Agent for Eddy and Foster County for the Kids Baking School.